Hi Sci2 kiddos. I'm going to do a couple balancing activities today. The organ that gives you a sense of balance is actually your ears, and we're going to learn some of the details about that, but that is how we perceive gravity and get an idea of which way is down, which is something we've been working on. But your vision and eyesight also plays an important role, as you'll see. So to play around with your sense of balance, we're going to be using our feet, standing on one leg and using your feet to move objects from one container into another. So you'll need something that you can either pick up with your toes by grabbing it, or that you can scoop your foot under and lift and move. You could use bean bags if you have bean bags at home. I kind of made my own bean bags, just took Ziploc bags. This one's full of Cheerios, so you can use cereals if you want. But don't be wasteful, like I'll put these back in so that we can eat them. If you've got like some kind of little toy that's in multiple pieces, these are like little magnetic letters from the fridge. You could even like use candy. This is a bag full of Butterfingers. Hopefully I won't be a Butterfinger and drop it. Get it? Or if you're really up for a challenge, you could use something heavier, like this is a bag of cuties, or maybe even like a bag of potatoes or something. That would be a pretty big challenge for balance. However, you only need 3 of them, right? So I'll get rid of the toys here. All right, so what you're going to do is transfer these 3 items from one container into another. So you need something. You can see I have a basket and just a pot here at home, but whatever large container you have, just get 2 of them. Make sure the bags can fit inside of them. You want to make sure you're in an open space and somewhere safe where you're not going to fall and like hit your head on anything dangerous, and you want to be able to like spread your arms out, because that's going to be an important part of balancing. We're going to do this in 4 different ways, and always use the leg that corresponds with the motion. So if you're moving the items from the right to the left, use your right leg. Right to left, right to left. If you're moving the items from left to right, use your left leg. Go this way. You'll see that by crossing over, it actually makes the balancing a little harder. You're welcome to try that if you want, but I'll just keep these simple. So the first round, you just want to have your eyes open and your arms out for balance. And again, just transfer the 3 items like so. Cuties are a little more challenging for me. All right. The next round is the same thing. You can have your arms out, but now you've got to have your eyes closed. So, and notice again, I'm using my other foot now because I'm going from left to right. So just get an idea of where your containers are, but then close your eyes and see if you can still move the items over. See, it's a little more challenging. Oops. Okay. All right, 3rd round, you want to have your eyes open again, but this time your arms are held behind your back. Again, I'm using my right foot to go from right to left. These cuties are definitely harder to get. Okay, and for the final round, you want to combine both things. You want to have your arms behind your back and your eyes closed. This should be the most challenging one. So again, get your bearings. Here we go. Again, you'll see that not having your vision makes things a little harder. Okay. All right. So your challenge is to do those 4 activities as quickly as you can and film it and upload it with Flipgrid. So you might want to get a parent or a guardian or a sibling to either help film you or position your camera in such a way that you can film your feet and the ground and what you're doing with your feet. And you can just use the video as your timer, right? So start the video, get set, and then we'll just see who can do it, those 4 activities in the fastest amount of time with the fewest stumbles. So you don't want to rush, because if you're stumbling around everywhere, then that's not technically going to count, right? We want to see who can be the most stable and do it the fastest. So that's your challenge. As always, be safe, right? Make sure there's nothing dangerous around you that you're going to fall on. And always clean up after yourself, so make sure you put your items away and emptied your bags once you're done. Thank you.